Before you watch this video, I suggest that you pray. God, please keep all evil spirits away from me. Viewers, this story is nothing like what I've ever covered before on mountain.com. People, this is Jacida. This girl was unalive by her partner because she's the ex-girlfriend to this dude by the name of Leo. Leo paid $1,000 to his friend to unalive Jacida, his side chick, because she sent a video to his wife, who is an American. People, they trick this girl. They lower her into a dark alley and they unalive her. Not just only that, but they burnt her alive. My condolences. Viewers, if your heart is not strong, don't go and look on the video. Who want to see the video, go on Google, search for mountain.com and watch the video on that website. And as I suggest in the beginning of this video, if your heart does strong, don't go watch it and make sure you pray before you go do it. This incident take place in Haiti, one of the most gruesome cities or country in the world. And when I say people, when I see the picture, it moved my heart, literally. You can see how this girl is very beautiful. Right now you're seeing her on your screen. But you're going to go and look and realize that all this beauty is no longer there. Her face is completely gone. Her skin off her face is gone. You're seeing her teeth, just the bare teeth. Her bones, you're seeing her bones with no flesh. I've never seen anything like this before. I'm telling you. There's two parts to this story because the villagers find out that Leo, her boyfriend, did this to her. And people, they threw him to the pigs, literally. Pig eat out him face. Yeah, see it in our video. I have to do that in our next video, which is going to be a part 2 to this video. So make sure you follow me to get that part 2, which I'll be uploading tomorrow, Jamaica time, 8 p.m. Viewers, I've never seen anything like this. Even though it give me shivers, it give me goosebumps because my friend said this gruesome. I never seen nothing like this before. Can you imagine this girl put her trust in a Leo, her boyfriend? Right? She loved him so much, she want him for herself. She said, Leo baby, you got to divorce your wife if you really want to beat me. Him been playing games with this girl, going around, hiding, sleeping around with her, hiding her from his wife. And because she went and sent a video through social media to his wife to prove that he and her is together, he unalived this girl. What's the motive? Because Leo's wife has been sending him money from the US back to Haiti, and she promised him to give him a green card to come to the US and live with her. People, this is pure evil. Leo is the devil himself, literally. As I must say, follow the page for part 2, because part 2, the video with the hogs eating Leo, will be posted on the website.